Imagine a world where creamy delights are born from gleaming steel giants. This is the realm of ice cream factories, where cutting-edge technology transforms simple ingredients into frozen magic. Prepare to journey inside the mesmerizing machines that create our favorite sweet treat. It all begins with the base. Massive stainless steel tanks churn to life, their powerful mixers blending fresh milk, rich cream, and pure cane sugar. The air fills with the sweet aroma of vanilla as natural flavorings are added, creating the liquid foundation of ice cream. These industrial-scale mixers work tirelessly, ensuring every drop is perfectly combined. But this mixture isn't ready for your cone just yet. Safety comes first in the world of mass production. The liquid base races through a maze of pipes, entering the pasteurization chamber. Here, intense heat blasts away any harmful bacteria, guaranteeing a safe product. Steam billows as the mixture emerges, cleansed and ready for the next crucial step. Now it's time for homogenization, the secret behind that silky smooth texture we all love. Picture this. The mixture is forced through tiny nozzles at incredibly high pressure. This violent process shatters fat globules into microscopic particles, distributing them evenly throughout the base. The result, a perfectly uniform consistency that will melt luxuriously on your tongue. Here's where the real magic happens. The liquid mix enters the heart of the ice cream factory, the continuous freezer. This marvel of engineering is a rotating drum filled with ultra-cold refrigerant. As the mixture flows through, razor-sharp blades whip it furiously. But there's more than just freezing at work here. Listen closely, and you'll hear a hiss of compressed air. This is the key to ice cream's unique texture. Millions of tiny air bubbles are injected into the mix as it freezes. These bubbles create the light, fluffy body we all know and love. Without them, you'd be left with a solid block of flavored ice. The continuous freezer is a delicate balancing act of temperature, agitation, and aeration, all precisely controlled to create the perfect ice cream structure. But plain ice cream is just the beginning. Now it's time to add the fun. Conveyor belts rumble to life, carrying the partially frozen base beneath an array of specialized dispensers. Watch as a waterfall of chocolate chips rains down, followed by a ribbon of gooey caramel sauce. Roasted nuts tumble in perfect proportion, while another machine carefully folds in chunks of fresh fruit. These inclusions transform simple ice cream into an adventure of flavors and textures. The production line moves at lightning speed now. High-precision filling machines spring into action, their nozzles dancing as they dispense perfectly portioned scoops. Cardboard tubs spin beneath them, filled to the brim in mere seconds. For ice cream bars, molds flash freeze the mixture around wooden sticks. Cones are carefully filled, each one receiving an identical swirl of creamy goodness. But we're not done yet. Robotic arms swoop in, their movements a blur as they cap tubs and wrap bars. Lasers etch expiration dates onto packaging, while sensors check for any imperfections. The newly formed ice cream treats glide along conveyors, a symphony of machinery sealing and labeling at breakneck pace. The final step is crucial: hardening. Our ice cream may look ready, but it needs to reach the perfect temperature for storage and transport. Enter the hardening tunnel, a massive spiral freezer that plunges the products into Arctic conditions. At a bone-chilling -40 degrees Celsius, the ice cream structure is locked in place. This ensures that when you finally open that tub at home, the texture and flavor are exactly as the creators intended. As the products emerge from the hardening tunnel, a frosty mist swirls around them. They're whisked away to enormous cold storage warehouses, ready for distribution. From here, fleets of refrigerated trucks will carry this frozen cargo to stores across the country. The scale of modern ice cream production is truly mind-boggling. A single factory can churn out millions of gallons each year, with production lines running around the clock. But despite all this automation, there's still an art to creating the perfect ice cream. Skilled technicians monitor every stage of the process, fine-tuning recipes and adjusting machines to maintain consistent quality. Innovation never stops in the world of ice cream engineering. Scientists work tirelessly to develop new flavors, healthier formulations, and even more efficient production methods. Imagine machines that can create multi-layered ice cream bars with precision down to the millimeter, or advanced freezing techniques that produce even creamier textures while using less fat. The environmental impact of ice cream production is another area of constant improvement. Modern factories strive to reduce water usage, minimize energy consumption, and find sustainable packaging solutions. Some are even exploring ways to capture and reuse the cold energy from their freezing processes. But amidst all this high-tech wizardry, the heart of ice cream making remains the same. It's about transforming simple ingredients into a moment of pure joy. From the first turn of the mixing tanks to the final scoop in your bowl, every step is designed to create that perfect bite of creamy, dreamy deliciousness. Next time you indulge in your favorite flavor, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's been on. That scoop represents the pinnacle of food science, engineering, and a touch of magic. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our never-ending quest to create something purely delightful. So go ahead, treat yourself to some ice cream. After all, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're savoring a marvel of modern technology. From milk to frozen delight, from factory to freezer, ice cream is the coolest intersection of science and pure, sweet happiness.